Hey everybody, it's Dave from Clean Pro Supply. Anytime someone has a question about something, I try to turn it into a video, at least on one of the social media groups or YouTube, or just share with an individual through private message. So this video is coming from actually one of my employees asking about Scotchgard, and I want to share with you guys kind of what I went over with him. Also what Wes was also showing Brett. So Brett is my cleaning contractor, or cleaning technician, and Wes is on more of the order fulfillment side of Clean Pro Supply. So with our little discussion, kind of turn this into a quick video to help any of you guys out that may be curious. I want to show you my little display I have on this table here. As you can see, we have a sprayer for the Prespray jug, and we have Scotchgard here as well. So to cover a couple things, I have already converted. I have, 3 or 4 of these in the cleaning van along with this. So you can see it has a male and a female on the jug. So this one is labeled tile, to Prespray tile. We also have one for carpet. We also have one for deodorizer, and we have one for wool carpet. And then also, let's see, pet stain or pet Prespray versus regular Prespray for carpet. So this way, we only need to have one trigger sprayer with a male on this end. So what we would normally do is connect this. I probably can't do it with one hand because I'm holding my phone with my other. But that would go here, and then we would, spray the carpet as our pre-spray or tile or whatever we're cleaning, and then our solution line from the truck mount is going to connect up to here. So that way we only have to carry one sprayer in the van, but we can have 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 jugs, however many you want. Each jug can be pre-mixed with its own product for various uses. These are all, they all include the yellow tip underneath this cap to dilute this or meter it 1 to 8. However, the Scotchgard, this is a 1 to 4, or you could even do 1 to 3. This one has the yellow tip removed, so you can actually take this and the shape of the jug, and I'm not sure if they do this on purpose or not, I'm pretty sure they do. You can take this and connect it right to your Scotchgard container that way. So what we used to do before we actually used Scotchgard is we would pour in 4Guard or one of the other protectants into one of these jugs and then just spray away 1 to 4. With the the yellow metering tip removed, and then that would give us our dilution for the Scotchgard or whatever else we're using into one of these jugs. However, if you're using the actual Scotchgard product, or I think Maxim also has a similar shaped jug, and the thread size is actually larger than your standard 1-gallon bottle, the inline sprayer cap will fit right to that. And you can, same thing, you hook your solution line from your van up to here, turn off your acid rinse. The sprayer here will connect the same way to here. My only suggestion is when you first go to pull your trigger, you may have a little pre-spray in your lance here from previously using it before cleaning the carpet. So maybe just do a quick trigger pull into your vacuum hose to clear the line. And then once your line is cleared, then now you can go ahead and spray away the carpet. So a quick tip there, you can have this all pre-set up in your van. I kind of like it how it's set up like this for a couple reasons. One, it's quick and easy. You don't have to pour into any of their containers. But also, the customer is going to see you're actually using Scotchgard. There's a lot of different protectants out on the market right now, but if you are selling actual Scotchgard to your customer, it's nice to see that you're actually using Scotchgard. There's a lot of people out there, unfortunately, that may protect with water. That's clearly not real protectant. At that point, they're scamming the customer, or they're using a different brand and they're marketing it as Scotchgard. Doesn't necessarily mean that other brand is bad, but generally when you're saying something is Scotchgard on your invoice, it's kind of a good reassurance just for the customer to see you're actually using Scotchgard. It does bring a much larger brand awareness to that customer, which helps facilitate the upsell. We have a gold standard cleaning package for our cleaning business that includes the carpet protector. All of our invoices, our website, everything says carpet protector. That way we have some leniency with what product we're using. However, most of the time we do currently use Scotchgard, which of course we sell at Clean Pro Supply. So that's how we set up our sprayers. Generally an inline sprayer, this is a HydroForce. It's going to come with this like hard wired or hard connected right into that block right there. We just unscrewed it, took it off, put a little fitting in there, and then put on a female and a male. And then also, if you're going to do this, we have a male here a female here. The reason for that is so we don't accidentally turn it backwards and spray out that way, because it won't actually spray out. So if any of you guys want to set your jugs up this way, I would strongly urge you to keep your fittings the same as all your other lines, so you have different and you're not going to confuse like a male and a male, and then maybe a female here, and then you end up putting your sprayer on the wrong side of the jug, and then of course at that point it's really not going to do anything. So male goes to your truck mount, the female goes to your sprayer, you spray away for your pre-sprays, your Scotch Guard. Now we have one more thing here. This is the Westpac carpet rake. You can see the small bristles there. Carpet agitation. I would not recommend this carpet rake or any other carpet rake for carpet agitation. This will not scrub your pre-spray, because see how far apart those bristles are? Your carpet fibers are much tighter than these are here. So this carpet rake or groomer would really serve two purposes from at least my perspective, my opinion. One, it's going to raise the nap of the carpet after you're done cleaning to help it dry faster. Two, to do that and agitate a little bit and kind of fluff the fibers for carpet protector. I would not recommend using a carpet rake for agitating your pre-spray prior to extraction, but I would recommend using the rake after using Scotch Guard, or if you like, also after you're done just with your extraction process, to kind of fluff it back up, get rid of your shark teeth. That's personal preference, customer preference, whatever you want to do. But that's what I would recommend using the rake for. If anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out.